Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Verizon 5G versus T-Mobile 5G. Now starting with Verizon here. So Verizon offers three types of 5G: nationwide, which is low band; ultra-wideband, which is mid and high band; and wave in dense urban areas, and it is known for strong performance in cities. Now the pros of Verizon is that it is very fast, it has very fast speeds in ultra-wideband areas. It has strong performance in urban zones, reliable coverage in many retro markets, and has low latency, good for streaming and gaming. Now the cons of Verizon is that it has limited ultra-wideband availability in rural areas. Wave has poor building penetration and can be very expensive compared to competitors. Now let's switch on over to T-Mobile here. Now, T-Mobile leads in 5G coverage with its widespread mid-band 5G UC, or ultra capacity, so it offers a strong balance of speed and coverage nationwide. So the pros of T-Mobile is that it has the widest 5G coverage in the US, it has a strong mid-band 5G speeds nationwide, it is better in rural and suburban reach, and generally more affordable plans. Now the cons of T-Mobile is that speeds can vary in dense areas, slightly less peak speed than Verizon wave, and network congestion is possible in busy zones. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Verizon if you want top speeds in city areas and are willing to pay more, and you should choose T-Mobile for better nationwide 5G coverage, especially in suburban or rural areas at a better value. And that is it. That is the difference between Verizon and T-Mobile 5G. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.